which is variable, and remaining should be treated as constant. Let ym should be variable and y1, y2, y3, ym minus 1 should be constant for partial differentiation, not exactly constant for process of partial differentiation. So ym is variable, partially differentiate with respect to ym and complete with t, because we are differentiating with respect to t. Okay. So consequently, the co-moving derivative of phi ij in the Eulerian method d phi by dt. Now we remove the variable function d phi by d. The first function can be written as del phi by del t plus. Now I come to this point. Dy m by dt. What is ym? Displacement. Displacement with respect to time denote the velocity. And velocity in continuum mechanics denoted by q. So it becomes qj. So this should be written as qm because we differentiate partially with respect to m. So this becomes qm. And the remaining function is del phi ij over del ym. So what we are seeing in this, phi ij is a property, phi I is a property, phi ij is properties, and remaining are operators. So property may taking any properties. So here I remove these properties and taking a relation between operator. This is a quite general form, hold for any function. Any function means any properties. Usually the co-moving derivative is expressed in terms of an operator. That is then applied to the function to be differentiated. The operator is, these three terms we remove. So we get the operator d by dt, del by del t. Here qm, I have written q1, del by del y I. Agar this is I, so this is I. This is j, so this is j. If this is m, this is m. Which yi variable you have taken according to this? Both are same. So this relation of operator is known as co-moving derivative in Eulerian viewpoint. While in earlier case, Lagrangian description, this term is not present. This term is not in case of Lagrangian description. Now we are taking velocity and acceleration or many other terms which are used in the next derivation. How it work in Lagrangian viewpoint or Eulerian viewpoint. Here we are taking displacement of each particle. Let displacement ui is some function because we are talking of Lagrangian viewpoint. So this is in terms of initial coordinate system displacement vector. And what is velocity? First derivative of displacement with respect to time. So that is del ui over del t. That is velocity. And in continuum mechanics we denoted velocity by qi. So this is qi of a1, a2, a3 is nothing but partial differentiation of displacement vector. Since what is acceleration? That is differentiation of velocity. So this is del qi over del t in initial coordinate system or double derivative of displacement del 2 ui over del t square. So this is denoted velocity acceleration in Lagrangian viewpoint, which is used in our derivation, next derivation. How it change in Eulerian description, that is important. Here attention focus to the velocity field and not in the displacement. The function should be velocity expressed qi in final coordinate system y1, y2, y3 and T. Okay, here yi is also variable and t is also variable. So what we are doing here, partially differentiating velocity, full derivative, using co-moving derivative here, which we studied in the previous slide. Del by del t, the property is qi, velocity here. Here qi, qj, del qi over del yj. QI प्रॉपर्टी हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया है यहाँ पे कोमूविंग डेरिवेटिव में. सो दिस इज सेम, दिस Q इज सेम. इन कंटिन्यू मैकेनिक्स दिस मे बी रिटर्न एज QI कॉमा J. ओके, द फर्स्ट टर्म del QI over del T is usually called local acceleration term. What is the meaning here? This term is obtained when T is variable. Partially differentiate with respect to t means this term when this is partially differentiate with respect to t and treating yi is constant. So yi is not working here, only t is uses. So first term del qi over del t is usually called local acceleration term since it arises when position or space yi held constant. But in case of second, here t should be treated constant and yi should be treated as variable. So second term is called convective acceleration term. Clear? So next, now we come to continuity equation. First we are taking terms required in continuity equation. The terms mass and density is required in continuity equation. What is mass? Mass is a non-negative scalar measure of a body tendency to resist a change in motion. Consider a small volumetric element del V whose mass is del m. Then the by definition of density, this is nothing but del m by del V. Rho is density is. Okay. Whenever we are particularly talk on some particular point P, define the density at some particular point P, it is known as spatial density. Now we come to the conservation of mass. Conservation of mass principle. The laws of conservation of mass state the mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. This law of conservation of masses then implies that the mass of this given system is remain constant. Neither be created nor destroyed means always remain same, constant. And any constant term means first differentiation of this constant term should be 0. So this is known as preservation or conservation of mass law, which is used in continuity equation. Now we come to continuity equation. One of the most important physical law governing the motion of a continuum medium is the principle of conservation of mass. Sometimes it is also known as first fundamental principle. An equation derived from the law of conservation of mass is called continuity equation. Any equation that derived from or by using the conservation of mass is known as continuity equation. Here we are studying these continuity equation in Lagrangian form, in Eulerian form, or we have tried to both form by conversion of each other. Means we try Lagrangian form convert into Eulerian form or Eulerian form convert into Lagrangian form. In case of fluids, the continuity equation states that the rate at which mass enter in the system is equal to the rate at which mass leaves the system plus the accumulation of mass within the system. These are the mass incoming in the system and this is out of the system. So mass preservation में ये equal होनी चाहिए.